Alright guys, so in today's video, I am finally turning my messy room and setup into my dream room and gaming setup. I've been wanting to do this for a super long time. I finally got a new desk. My new bed frame is coming later today. And I actually have to leave for a trip tomorrow, but I'll come back later and I'll finish it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna be building, I'm gonna be building this right now. It's probably all I'm gonna get done today. But you can see we got a new desk. As you can see, my bed is completely gone. And as y'all know, my bed was connected to my desk was connected to my bed. So all my monitors are taken off. This is like my temporary setup. I've been gaming here for the better part of a week now. PlayStation, headset, microphone, keyboard, mouse, monitor. This is just an old monitor I have in my closet. My main monitor over there. So we're gonna be building this desk right here. And this desk is a sit-to-stand desk. It's all white. It's 55 by 24 inches and it can support up to 250 pounds, which is really nice. And we're gonna go ahead and build this. Alright guys, so this is where we are currently. Currently I have both legs on and bottom stands. And I think honestly the last part is just putting on the tabletop. Alright guys, so I just finished building the desk. That took really long. It should not have taken that long. I'm taking a risk here. Mind you guys, I weigh 150 pounds. I'm gonna sit on it and I'm gonna rise it up. We're gonna see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't break. Here we go. Okay, we're going. Oh yeah. Oh hell no. Okay, so you could definitely see it started to like slow down and I could hear the gears like slowing down when I sat on it. But this is it going up without me sitting on it. And this thing can go up to about 48 inches, it said. And it's still going, pretty much. Well, this thing's absolutely fantastic. That's why it's a bit more like in length, but in width, this thing is super wide. But guess what else just got here? My bed frame is here, so we're also gonna set that up now, and I can stop sleeping on the floor and start sleeping on an actual bed. And I think y'all are gonna like the bed design I got with, so let's get into that now. I saw the little magic trick right there, but y'all can see here, it is still a little bit dirty. I had to move some stuff, but we have a new bed frame here. It is a floating bed frame. So you see there's LED lights on the bottom, and there's the legs are a bit further in the middle, so it looks like it's floating. You can still see the bed frame a little bit. I'm actually gonna pull it a little closer this way. So yeah, but this looks really good. This looks really good. Unfortunately, that's all I'm gonna do for today though. It is almost 12 o'clock at night and I have to wake up super early to leave for my trip tomorrow. Once I come back, we'll get right back into it. Alright guys, so I just came back from my trip. I got home at like 1 o'clock last night. But I'm back, I slept good, had a nice breakfast, and I'm just gonna show y'all this is what my setup currently looks like right now. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and get my monitor set up to get put back on my dual monitor mount, and we're gonna put it back on the desk. So let's get into that now. Alright guys, so I just plugged everything in besides like some little things like the microphone. But now it's time to cable manage, and I actually already opened it, but this is a big case of all white cable management parts. You can see it has a lot of cable management, some cable cords, some zip ties, some of these little things, and some adhesive parts. And the difference between this desk has a lot better supportive adhesive things, so I can actually stick a lot more stuff on the bottom of the desk, which is going to come in handy for cable management. So let's go ahead and do that now. So you guys can see cable management is pretty good. I really like this desk. I can actually stick stuff onto it, which actually makes the cable management a lot easier. So cable management is pretty decent. Alright guys, so I just got the monitors and I did all my cable management. Everything's plugged in, everything's working, everything's turned on. I am gonna wait for my packages to come here. Some of the stuff I ordered is on its way here now. So I'm gonna wait for that to come here, and I'll see you when the stuff gets here. Alright guys, so some of my packages finally got here. I have one more package coming tomorrow, but it's just one little small thing. It doesn't really impact it, but you can see here, we haven't put up the shelves yet, but we pretty much have the entire setup finished. I do get some new packages, so I'm gonna show you what they look like now. So I actually got this EpoMaker EA75, 75% hot swappable keyboard. This is one of my favorite keyboards. I've been really excited to get this, and it took forever to get here, but it's finally here. And I'm gonna make a video about this, or a review video. So I'm actually not gonna unbox this on the video, but you guys will see it in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And I also got a new Funko Pop. This is a Yuji Itadori Funko Pop from Jujutsu Kaisen. I already have a Gojo one, but I just wanted some more decorations for my desk, so we'll also unbox that later in this video. Alright guys, so after a super long wait because of different packages getting delayed and all that nonsense, I'm finally allowed to present to you guys my 2025 brand new gaming setup and room. Let's get it.